Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today video session I am going to show you how we can execute Selenium type test with Chrome browser in headless mode. So friends, officially Google announced after the 54 version of Google browser, we can run Selenium test in headless mode by putting some arguments hyphen hyphen headless with the Chrome option. So before I start, let's quick view about the steps. The first step, download Chrome driver according to OS. Means which kind of OS you are using, according to that you need to download Chrome driver. And then obviously the driver, Chrome driver should be compatible with the Selenium build. So I have already mentioned this URL. By clicking on this URL, it will directly redirect on all the version of the Chrome driver. The second thing, mention Selenium driver dependency in the pom.xml or import jar in a project. If you are using the Maven type project, in that case you need to mention Selenium driver dependency inside the pom.xml. Or if you are using the standalone project, then in that case you need to download the jar file and then manually you need to import that jar in that particular project. Then the next thing, write few lines of code, and then the next thing, execute test. After that, you need to analyze the result. Friends, to download the Chrome driver, simply search on Google Chrome driver download and then click on the first link. It will redirect on this page, release note. Okay, so you can see in this particular page, Chrome driver mention all the things, means in which build what the fixes came, and which build is compatible with which kind of Selenium, means the Chrome version. Okay, so you just simply read carefully and then select Chrome driver version, and directly you can go in that particular page and select that particular folder and download Chrome driver according to your OS. Like if you are using the Windows, then download this one. If you are using the Mac, then download this one. And if you are using the Linux, then download this one. The next thing, mention Selenium driver dependency inside the pom.xml. Hence, this is my workbench. You can see uh, I have mentioned Selenium build 3.12, which is quite latest. Not, we can say, the latest one, but it is quite latest. And my preference always use latest version of Selenium because you can get more bug fixes in that particular build. Okay, so to get this dependency, simply search on Google Selenium dependency, and then click on this link, and then click on the Selenium Java, and then you can see all the Selenium version mentioned here. You can click any one. In my case, I'm using 3.12 build. So you can see inside here the Maven dependency mentioned here. You just need to copy this one and paste inside pom.xml. Or if you are using the standalone project, in that case, download jar from here and then import inside your project. Now it's time to create class and write few lines of code to execute test on the Chrome browser. So the first thing inside the class, we need to set system.set property Okay. Inside the set property, webdriver.com driver. Inside the key section, inside the value section, we need to pass path of the binary file, Google Chrome driver binary path. So I have kept my Chrome driver inside the D drive. So that's why I mentioned the path D colon slash Chrome driver dot exe. Then we need to create object of the Chrome option. Inside the Chrome option, we need to pass option dot set capability. And I have already written that arguments, add arguments. We need to only copy and paste node to this. Friends, these things is mandatory to execute test on the Chrome browser with headless mode, like hyphen headless as an argument. But sometimes when you execute the test, you will get the exception related to disable the extensions, DNS preface disable GPU, and enable automation. These things related. So that's why I have mentioned all the. Then the next thing we need to create object of Chrome driver. Inside the Chrome driver, we need to pass option as an argument. Then similar like you can use all kinds of methods which is using inside selenium test driver get. And you can put inside the URL and then window.maximize to maximize the window, then put some implicit weight. Okay, then uh, I've written few steps, so I just using this one to ensure that browser is opening or not. For that, I'm using get title and then taking the screenshot. Okay, then we need to keep inside the throw catch, otherwise throw exception. And then at the last driver dot quit method to quit the Chrome driver. So let's run it. I think did simply hitting the driver.get, then maximize the window, then put some implicit wait 60 seconds. Then after that I have taken driver.get title to verify title is coming or not. Then the next thing, take a screenshot to ensure that test is running on the right platform or not. Okay, then next thing, driver.quit to close Chrome driver. Okay, so let's run. So Chrome driver is started on the port 251 to 9, and then you can see page title is fetched Google, and then after that test executed successfully. And let's open the D drive and see the image is created or not. Oh, so you can see the image data 123 created successfully. Let's open it, and you can see the Google has successfully launched. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this video, and this video will helpful to execute Selenium test on the Chrome browser in headless mode. So thank you for watching my video.